Are you looking for an investment property in one of the most prime locations in Metro Manila? What if I told you that you could own a property just a stone's throw away from NAIA Terminal 1 and one ride away to LRT 1 extension? Sounds like a golden opportunity, right? Yeah. Well, let me introduce you to SMDC Gold Residences, your next smart investment. Location is everything when it comes to real estate, and SMDC Gold Residences is perfectly positioned to take advantage of major factors. First, it's across from NAIA Terminal 1, Manila's busiest international airport, making it the ideal place for travelers looking for a convenient nearby stay. Imagine being just minutes away from the airport with easy access for international visitors, whether it's a quick layover or longer stay. This location is perfect for short-term rental like Airbnb. Second, the LRT1 extension is just one ride away, connecting you to major parts of the Metro Manila. This means not only is it convenient for travelers, but it's also easy to access the rest of the city, increasing its appeal for both short-term and long-term tenants. Third, SMDC Gold Residences is not just across from NAIA Terminal 1, but it's also connected to NAIA X, the NAIA Expressway. This expressway provides quick and easy access to the SLEX, connecting you to the southern province of the Philippines and to major commercial hubs, whether you're heading to Makati, Taguig, or even the south of Metro Manila. You'll be at the heart of the action. Having NAIA X right next to you means less time spent stuck in traffic and more time enjoying the things that matter. Quick access to both business and leisure destinations makes this location a prime choice for investors looking for rental income. And it gets even better. Right near SMDC Gold Residences, you have the duty-free Philippine stores, perfect for international travelers looking to pick up last-minute souvenirs, luxury goods, and high-end items. This makes the property even more attractive for short-term rentals, as guests traveling through the airport can easily visit these stores during their stay. The convenience of shopping just minutes away is a definite plus for any guest. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, having duty-free nearby means your guests can shop till they drop and without the hassle of going far. This is an added convenience that can make SMDC Gold Residences stand out when it comes to short-term rentals, particularly for international tourists. Now let's talk about the property itself. SMDC Gold Residences offer top-notch amenities that make it stand out in the market, from luxurious pools and fitness centers to inviting lounges. This property is designed to cater to both residences and guests who expect comfort and convenience. Imagine the potential for Airbnb with its prime location, modern amenities, and proximity to the airport. You'll be able to tap into a consistent flow of international guests looking for a safe, comfortable place to stay. Plus, with the booming travel industry in the Philippines, being a top tourist destination, this means more bookings, higher occupancy rates, and great profits. Whether you're looking to rent out long-term or leverage short-term rental platforms like Airbnb, this property offers you multiple income streams, and with property values in the area expected to appreciate, this is an investment that's set to grow over time. SMDC has a strong track record, delivering high-quality, income-generating properties, and Gold Residences is no exception. The strategic location, modern design, and exceptional amenities mean this is more than just a place to live. It's an investment that works for you. The surrounding area is also thriving, with new commercial developments, restaurants, and retail spaces popping up. This will only increase demand for short-term rentals and long-term tenants, making your investment even more lucrative.
So if you're ready to make a smart move and invest in a property that offers both value and convenience, don't miss out on SMDC Gold Residences. Whether you're looking for long-term growth, a steady rental income, or both, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Get in touch with me today and I'll guide you through the process. Let's make this investment work for you. SMDC Gold Residences, where great investment meets prime location. Secure your future today.